One cruel ruler brought an entire village to its knees. But one fearless hero was about to change everything. And no one dared to stand against him.
From today, every vegetable gives me half their harvest. If anyone refuses, they will answer to the stem of doom. Your harvest belongs to me now.
Please, that's everything I have.
Every harvest belongs to me first. Anyone who refuses will face the stem of doom. Shine it brighter. A king deserves perfection.
Yes, my lord.
I worked hard for my harvest. Don't give it away. You've made a very dangerous choice.
Farmer Pumpkin is gone. This doesn't feel like an accident. Stood up to Aubergine, and now he's gone. What if we're next? We can't live in fear anymore. Let's fight Aubergine together. What if we hide until this is over? Hiding won't save our village.
Maybe we should leave this village.
Running away won't solve anything.
No! Running away won't solve anything.
There is one hero who fears no one. Chief Potato. They say his courage is greater than the tallest mountains. His name is Chief Potato. Follow the mountain trail. That's where you'll find Chief Potato.
We'll bring our hero home. We're getting closer. Don't give up. I know Chief Potato is waiting for us. Look! Look! That must be Chief Potato's cabin.
We finally made it!
I've been expecting you.
You already knew we were coming? Our village needs your help, Chief Potato.
Tell me everything.
Lord Aubergine has taken everything from our village.
Then it's time to end his rule. Let's bring peace back to Veggie Village.
We're ready, Chief.
Look! I can see Veggie Village!
Hold on, we're almost there.
Chief Potato!
Don't be afraid, I'm here now. So, the famous Chief Potato finally arrived. I'm here to free this village. Did you really think I ruled by strength alone? Meet my greatest weapon. Behold, the battle cart! No machine can defeat true courage. You're too late, Chief Potato. I've only just begun. Impossible! How did you dodge that? Speed alone will never win. I found its weakness.
What is it, Chief?
We'll win this battle together.
We're ready! We're ready!
Catch these, Aubergine!
I can't see!
Inferno Spice Blast!
Perfect timing.
Catch me if you can!
That's exactly what we needed. This ends now. Stop him! Mega Rolling Thunder. What is that? Mega Rolling Thunder Potato Cannon.
Hooray! We did it!
I was wrong. I'm sorry. Every hero gets a second chance to do what's right.
He's really trying to change.
Actions speak louder than words. Thank you. I couldn't carry it alone. I'm happy to help.
He's protecting the village now.
Trust is earned one good deed at a time.
Our village is finally happy again.
Together, we made this possible.
Chief Potato, are you leaving?
My journey isn't over yet.
Will we ever see you again?
When vegetables stand together, they won't need a hero.
Thank you, Chief Potato!
Take care of each other. It's wonderful to be home again.
Welcome home, friend.
True strength is not controlling others. True strength is protecting them together. True strength is not controlling others. True strength is protecting each other. Together, even the greatest challenges can be overcome. Good morning, Lady Okra. Good morning.
I don't believe we've met before.
No, we haven't. I'm Potato. I run the stall just across the lane.
I've seen you there. You're always working.
And I've seen you too.
And what exactly have you seen?
Someone who makes this busy market feel a little less ordinary.
That's quite a charming thing to say, Mr. Potato.
Only because it's true.
You know, everyone in this market talks about wealth, status, and reputation.
And what do you talk about?
Dreams.
Then perhaps we're alike.
What is your dream?
To build a life with someone I truly love.
And have you found that person?
I'm looking at her.
You make it rather difficult not to smile.
Then I'll spend the rest of my life trying. Lady Okra, there's something I've wanted to say for a very long time. I love you.
I've loved you for a long time too, Potato.
Is that a yes?
It's the easiest yes I've ever given.
Absolutely not.
Father, he is the one I love.
Love is not enough.
Why not?
Because love does not guarantee security.
because love does not guarantee security.
Potato is a decent young man, but he has neither wealth nor status.
He has a good heart.
Good hearts do not run great estates. Then tell me what I must do. Become successful. Build a fortune. Prove that you belong among our equals.
Potato.
Very well.
Potato.
I promise I'll return. As long as it takes.
How long will you be gone?
As long as it takes.
Don't forget us.
Never.
I'll be waiting.
Keep smiling for me.
I'll smile every day.
Until we meet again.
I'll keep our promise. I'll wait for you. No matter how many years pass. This is where we said goodbye. I wonder where you are now. I know you'll come back someday.
Home, at last. I kept my promise. I hope you're still waiting.
Potato?
I'm finally home.
You came back. You really came back.
I never broke my promise.
Welcome home, my friend.